This is not the usual LX you see every day. We started with the stock LX600 and we put the full wide body RNG Design package around it. And now, look at the shape of it.
We'll show you why it looks like this exactly. But slow down, there's a lot worth seeing it properly.
Fair. From the top then. So this is not the kind of Lexus LX600 you just walk past.
Definitely not. The standard LX already looks serious, but this one looks and feels more different. Lower, wider, and much more confident.
And that's the thing. It doesn't look like parts were just bolted onto a luxury SUV. It looks complete. One idea carried all the way through.
Okay, so what we got here? This is the Lexus LX600 petrol version with fully installed on it RNG Design package, 23-inch forged wheels finished in night black, split exhaust system, and a few touches from the client which we installed personally. Come walk around with us.
Up front, the first thing you see on that car is how lower and wider that face look, and that's the front lip. It adds weight to the bottom of the bumper, so the LX loses that tall, upright factory look and sits with the real purpose. Even with the front lip fitted, there's still a full 10 centimeters of clearance, about 4 inches. It looks aggressive, but it still works fine on the real roads. And before anyone worries, a front lip like this usually means slowing down before every speed bump. Not here. Then the front air vent trims, and don't underestimate them. They frame the side air intakes so the whole front part looks more complete instead of a flat factory panel. They're not just decoration, they give the face its shape. That's the idea behind the whole build. One big part on its own can look unfinished. It's the small parts fitted properly and it makes a lot more sense in here. Also, our client asked us to paint the front grille in glossy black, and on this car it was the right call. The chrome was the last thing that still looks standard. Take it away and the whole face looks cleaner and sharper. It also connects the front with the rest of the car. Dark wheels, satin tips, less chrome and more presence.
And the real game changer is the wide body extensions. This is what demanded the start. This is there. This Lexus LX600 stops looking like a standard SUV. And the important thing, how it's made. This is not cheap fender flares. This is not a vinyl wrap. It's complete body panels specifically made for this car. We painted them two-tone by hand. This part, it's matched the body color, and this lower part is gloss black. This is what makes this car looking more expensive. Not even heavy, more depth and more shapes. It's important not overdo it, because on a car of this size it's easy to do. First of all, this is the luxury SUV, not the sports car. So the goal was not to be big for the sake of it. It's all about the width in the right places. From the front 3/4, the car has shoulders now, and it looks complete. Because wide body follows the original lines of the car, it looks designed, not added.
Now the wheels. These are 23 inches forged wheels in night black. And the key word here is forged. They aren't cast. They're machined from a single forged piece of metal, so they're stronger and lighter than a cast wheel this size, and finished by hand. They're also made to order for this build, not a standard off-the-shelf wheel. But the real story here is fitment, how it sits in the arch. These were made specially for this car and for these wide body extensions, which means no spacers. And on an SUV this size, that matters a lot. Too far in and you lose the whole wide body effect. Too far out and it looks cheap. That offset also let us use a deeper, more concave wheel face without the wheels sticking out past the arch. So you get a real depth in the spokes. Here's the wheel sits exactly how it should. It fills the arch. It gives the cars that wild width and the planted stance. Put a flat wheel on a body size like this and it will look lost, like wearing a suit with running shoes.
Round the back, just as much fed in. The rear standard diffuser could look a little bit plain, but our diffuser fixes that. Again, painted in two-tone color, upper part painted in the body color and the bottom painted in gloss black. It gives the rear part of the car more exclusive and more expensive look. The roof and mid spoilers. They're here not to shout, they just add shape, so the rear looks intentional as the front. One more thing, it's aftermarket tow hitch, fitted on the client's request. It's a good reminder that it's a still SUV, not just a sports car for the fathers. It will tow whatever the client needs. The look is completely changed, but usefulness is not. And if you'd rather keep the original factory tow hitch, we have solution for that too. The diffuser has a removable cover. It opens up the standard hitch when you need it and sits flush the rest of the time. So the design never forces you to give up the factory setup. That's what a proper custom build should be. Build around how you actually use the car.
So what have we got here?
We got here absolutely new car. Front lip, side air vent trims, front grille painted in gloss black, wide body extensions, roof spoiler, mid spoiler, rear diffuser, split exhaust with matte finish exhaust tips, 23-inch forged wheels, finished in night black with custom offset, tow hitch.
But the part list isn't the point. The point is how it looks and works together. Wider, more confident, more purposeful, but still it's clearly a Lexus, nothing overdone.
And at a car on this level, the balance is the hard part. It has character, but it's never losing the class.
And that's the whole idea. Every build like this, made around one car and one owner. We made it customly for each and every client that we have. And that's how we work at RNG Design.
So it's not just modified, it's properly built. Guys, if you like this project, leave a comment below.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you soon on the next episode.
And don't forget, guys, life is too short to drive boring cars.